Internet terms. Let us discuss some commonly used Internet terms. Website. A website is a collection of related web pages that provide information about a topic. A website address starts with www. Some websites that are very popular are www.orangeeducation.in, www.google.com, etc. Web page. Web page is a page on a website. It contains text, pictures, sounds, videos, animations, etc. It is stored in an electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. World Wide Web. World Wide Web, WWW, is the largest collection of information in the form of websites on the internet. Web browser. Web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web, WWW. These websites open in a special software known as a web browser. Some of the commonly used web browsers are Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. To open any website, type the address of website in the address bar and press Enter key. Home page. Home page is the first page that opens up when you browse any website or open any web browser. Home page of OGO Olympiad website. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. Each web page or website has a unique address called a Uniform Resource Locator or URL. The URL is specific address of a web page. To access a website, you first need to enter its web address or URL in address bar of the browser. Then the web browser sends a request to a web server. The web server then locates the files and downloads it to your computer. Finally, the web browser displays the page on your screen. The URL or the web addresses of websites start with http://. The address of some websites such as a bank, e-commerce, etc. start with https://. Here, S stands for secure, which means the website is secured for browsing. Downloading. Getting the data from another computer server to our computer user is known as downloading. You can download innumerable games, music, videos, movies, and other software from the internet. Uploading. Copying the data from our computer to someone else's computer server is known as uploading. This process is generally used when you want to send some photographs, articles, or files to your friends, family, etc. Hyperlink. In a website, you can see text or image that is underlined and highlighted in blue, which on clicking takes you to another page, document, or image. This text or image is called hyperlink. It is also called a link. The mouse pointer changes to a hand when pointed over an hyperlinked text or image. Internet Service Provider, ISP. ISP is a company that provides you internet connection and services for an annual or monthly fee. Some popular ISPs in India are BSNL, Vodafone Idea, Airtel, Reliance Communications, etc.